Let's record screen. How to record your screen using MacBook. Okay, so you will click on Shift Command 5. Okay, so did you see that? Did you see that? So you have these options. The first icon is capture entire screen. The second one is capture selected window. The next one is capture selected portion. Okay. Then when you are recording, make sure you click on this option and you click on inbuilt microphone, because the very first recording I did not capture any voice. I wasn't saying anything. That's because I didn't click on that inbuilt microphone. Okay. So I'm going to do another recording to show that particular picture, and for you to see what I mean by clicking this option sign. Okay, so while that is a picture, this is a video and it is showing it. Then this is capture. You just capture this, anyone you want to capture. If it is the entire screen, you click on any of them. This is a recording of a particular portion. Okay, so that's it. When I was talking about the recording, so the first icon, like I said before, it's capture entire screen. This is capture entire screen. The next one is capture selected window. The next one is capture selected portion. This is capture selected portion. Then this is record entire screen. Record entire screen. Then record selected portion. Okay, so here's what I mean, that you should click the option if you want to record, and check this inbuilt microphone. If you don't check this, if this is not checked as you're speaking, if I didn't check this as I'm speaking now, you can't hear my voice. So it just video and all this showing here and there, that's all you will see. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you. And if this does, kindly subscribe to the channel. More videos like this are coming your way. Like and share. And put on your notification bell. Very important, so that you will get my videos, when they come. All right. Thank you.